Hi guys, this is Violette, Estée Lauder Global Beauty Director, and I'm here today to show you my favorite look using the Powerful Pink color collection. And I'm going to add a few products so you can have like a full look. I'm going to start with the highlighter, and I actually love the highlighter from this eyeshadow palette from the collection because it's going to be really pretty with this purple eyeshadow that I'm going to use on my eyes. So I just grab with my finger and then I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone, and that's really going to enhance the eye makeup look. Now I'm going to use a blush. I'm just going to apply it with a good old technique. It's just you have to smile and you apply it on the apple of your cheek. Having a blush that is more diffuse will make it much more natural. Now I'm going to start the eyes. First, I love to have an eye pencil in my lash line to bring a bit more strength in the eyes. And I'm going to use my favorite one ever, Burgundy Suede. It's sort of like a brown metallic eye pencil that has a little bit of purple in it. You just have to go in the roots of the lash and a little bit on the top, and you don't have to be worried about how like perfect the shape should be because I'm gonna blend it after. And then I can blend with my finger just whatever eye pencil I applied on top of my lash line and a little bit on the outside corner, but I'm not gonna touch too much the line, so I keep the shape. Okay, so now we're gonna do my favorite part, applying this gorgeous eyeshadow. So it's a beautiful metallic purple, but it's a purple that is very easy to wear for anybody because it's not too red or not too blue. I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelid. So I like to start in the center and as close as I can from the lash line because this is where I want the most intensity to create like an easy ombre. And then slowly I'm gonna go in the inside corner and then on the outside corner. Using a Q-tip, you can clean under the line to make sure you follow the shape to create like an easy smoky eye. Okay, so now we're gonna do the last step of this look using powerful lipstick. Yeah, stronger eyes, I like to keep the lips pretty natural, but I really love that pink, so I'm gonna pat it in order to have a bit of this pigment, but not having like lipstick texture on. Et voila, that's it. So you saw it was like a very easy look to do. I will call it like a sophisticated, effortless look. So it's still fresh and natural even though we have like a nice smoky eye look.